Welcome to this video on how to start a blog and make money. Whether you're someone looking to share your passion, build an online presence, or even generate a side income, blogging offers a fantastic opportunity. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to get started with a blog and turn it into a potential source of income. Find your niche. The first step to starting a successful blog is to find a niche. A niche is the specific topic or area you want to focus on in your blog. This will help you attract a targeted audience and establish yourself as an authority in that area. To find the perfect niche, consider your interests, skills, and the needs of your audience. Popular blogging niches include health and fitness, personal finance, travel, food and recipes, technology and gadgets. Once you've decided on a niche, ensure it's something you're passionate about and can continuously create content on. Choose a blogging platform. The next step is to choose a platform to host your blog. Several blogging platforms are available, but the most popular option is WordPress due to its flexibility and ease of use. You can choose between WordPress.com, free but limited customization, or WordPress.org, self-hosted, requiring you to purchase a domain and hosting. Other blogging platforms include Blogger, simple and free, but limited features. Wix, user-friendly with drag-and-drop functionality but may not be ideal for growth. Medium, great for writers but has limitations on customization and monetization. For more control and long-term growth, we recommend going with WordPress.org. This way, you can customize your blog, add plugins, and have complete ownership of your content. Pick a domain name and hosting. Your domain name is your blog's web address, e.g., www.myblog.com. It should be easy to remember, relevant to your niche, and ideally, not too long. Once you've chosen a domain name, you'll need a hosting provider. A hosting provider stores your blog's data and makes it accessible on the internet. Popular hosting providers: Bluehost, affordable and beginner-friendly. SiteGround, offers excellent performance and customer service. HostGator, good for those on a tight budget. When choosing a hosting plan, start with a basic plan and upgrade as your blog grows. Install WordPress and set up your blog. After purchasing your domain and hosting, it's time to install WordPress. Most hosting providers have a one-click installation for WordPress, making it super easy to get started. Once WordPress is installed, you'll be able to access your blog's dashboard. Here's what you should do next. Choose a theme. WordPress offers both free and premium themes. Choose a theme that is responsive, clean, and suits your blog's niche. Themes like Astra and GeneratePress are great for beginners. Install essential plugins. Plugins enhance your blog's functionality. Some must-have plugins include Yoast SEO for optimizing your blog for search engines. Akismet to protect your blog from spam. WP Forms to create contact forms. With WordPress, you can easily customize the appearance and layout of your blog to make it unique. Create quality content. Content is the heart of your blog. To attract readers and keep them coming back, you need to consistently create valuable, engaging, and well-written content. Focus on writing posts that answer questions, solve problems, or entertain your audience. Tips for creating quality content. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find popular keywords in your niche. This will help you write content that ranks higher on search engines. Use engaging headlines. A compelling headline will make people want to click on your post. Add images and videos. Visual content helps break up text and makes your blog more engaging. Use royalty-free images or create your own. Be consistent. Set a posting schedule and stick to it. Whether you post once a week or twice a month, consistency is key. Drive traffic to your blog. Creating great content is just the first step. To make money from your blog, you'll need traffic. There are several ways to drive traffic to your blog. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your blog to rank higher on search engines like Google. Focus on on-page SEO, optimizing blog posts with keywords, and off-page SEO, getting backlinks to your site. Social media. Promote your blog on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Share your posts, Engage with your audience, and use hashtags to reach a broader audience. Email marketing. Build an email list by offering something of value, e.g., a free ebook or checklist. Email marketing helps you nurture relationships with your readers and drive consistent traffic to your blog. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other blogs in your niche. This will expose you to a new audience and increase your backlinks. Monetize your blog. Now that you have traffic, it's time to start making money. Here are some common ways bloggers monetize their sites. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your blog and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate. Display ads. Join ad networks like Google AdSense or Mediavine to display ads on your blog. You'll earn money every time someone clicks on an ad or based on impressions. Sponsored posts. Brands may pay you to write reviews or promote their products in a blog post. Sponsored posts can be very lucrative once you have a sizable audience. Sell digital products. Create and sell your own products, such as ebooks, online courses, printables, or templates. This can be one of the most profitable ways to monetize a blog. Offer services. If you have expertise in a specific area, offer consulting, coaching, or freelance services to your readers. Analyze and improve. To grow your blog, it's essential to track your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your traffic, audience behavior, and top-performing content. This will help you understand what works and where to improve. Here are some key metrics to track. Page views. How many people are visiting your blog? Bounce rate. The percentage of visitors who leave your blog after viewing just one page. Conversion rate. The percentage of visitors who take a desired action, e.g., signing up for your email list or making a purchase. By regularly analyzing these metrics, you can refine your content strategy and optimize your blog for success. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to start a blog and make money. Blogging is an exciting journey that requires patience and dedication, but with the right strategies in place, it can become a rewarding venture. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.